Okay, so we're going to start our second example on fractions multiplied by whole numbers. So this particular example is 1/3 times 5. And so that means that we're taking 1/3 and we're going to create it 5 times. It's just like repeated addition. So you're going to have the fraction 1/3. We're going to create that once, and then we're going to create it 4 more times because the whole number is 5. And again, like in the first example, whenever we have a fraction, our fraction here is 1/3. When we create that fraction in our graphic organizer, it is the denominator, in this case it is 3, that tells us how many equal sections to create in our whole item, our whole unit. So again, we've got a whole unit, and I'm going to create 3 equal sections. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to do this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because my whole number is 5. So I'm going to do this. Create 5 whole items and create 3 equal sections in each one. Now to create 1/3, my whole number of sections are 3, and I want to shade in 1 out of the 3 sections. So that's what I'm going to do. On my first one, I'm going to create 1/3. Here's 1/3. Here's my second 1/3. Here is my third creation of 1/3. My fourth creation of 1/3. One of the 3 is being shaded in. And for my last one, I'm going to color in one of the 3 to represent 1/3. So I have created 1/3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is 1/3 because out of the 3 equal sections, only 1 is shaded. 1 out of 3. So when we want to get our answer or the product, we're going to combine our shaded areas. So I'm going to create another whole, and I'm going to, because I have 1/3, 3 is my denominator, it will have 1, 2, 3 sections. So I'm going to move each colored section down to my final item. So I'm going to shade in, this is the pink. And then here is the purple that I'm bringing down. And then the teal color. So I've taken care of 1, 2, 3, but I've got 2 more. So that means I have got to create another whole unit with 3 equal sections so that I can bring down my other 2 colored units. So I'm going to bring down, here's my red, and I'm going to bring down the green. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of my 1/3 all transferred to my final unit. And as a result, I wind up with, as my final answer, this is 1 whole unit. This is 1 whole because all 3 are shaded in, but the second unit, I only have 2 of the 3 shaded in. So my final answer is 1 2/3 as my final answer for 1/3 times 5 is equal to 1 2/3.